Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I would like to teach you guys how to build a pivot table. So let's open our sheet first. So as you can see, I already built my own table, which is hard to read because there are a lot of data in it. So to summarize and to read it easily, all you need to do is to build your own pivot table like this. And I built this pivot table by accordingly that I wanted it to be. For the row, it will be the color. For the column, I changed it into units, and for the data, for the values, will be the sum of the data here. And for the filters, I'll be showing 10 data that I wanted. So this pivot table will be the final result that I wanted to show you guys. So let's teach you guys how to build a pivot table. First thing, all you need to do, go to the insert section and then select pivot table, and then it will show you a create pivot table. So if you wanted to create your own custom range, all you need to do is right click your mouse and then select any range that you wanted to. But if you want to use all the data here, just click this table and then click the sheet one, press OK, and then create your pivot table. And then the Google spreadsheet will bring you another sheet, which is the pivot table. So as you can see, the Google already made 3 suggested pivot table that I might want it to be. So let's say if I want the pivot table to show average of sale for each color, I just simply click. If you want to change it, just click another suggested button. So but this is not the pivot table that I want my pivot table to be. So to customize my pivot table, all I need to do is just click this add row button and then select the data that I want it to be in the row. So for the row, I want it to be color, and then this color will be organized in ascending order. If I can also change it by descending. As you can see, the color has been changed from descending to descending, but I want it to be ascending, so let's change it to be ascending. So for the column section, I want to put for the units. So as you can see, they are units for this column, and they're shown a grand total for the column table and the row table. If you want to hide this grand total, you can just click this show tool, and then for the row column, for the row section, it will disappear the grand total. For the column section, just click the show tools and will disappear the grand total. Okay, so let's add our values. Our values will be the sales. As you can see, these are the data that has been brought from here and put it in here, and then it already summarized all the data into this pivot table. So as you can see, the sales has given you 2 things, which is summarized by the sum and shown as default. Shown as default, it will be the default data will be here, which is this unit will be a dollar unit, and this pivot table will also be in a dollar unit. So I want the data to be shown as a percentage of rows, but you want to change it into percentage of column or percentage of grand total, just go ahead and use it. So for me, I want to change it to be a percentage of row. Okay, that's great. Now for our filters, simply just click add and then click sales. So as you can see, the sales will give you one table which is showing all items. Actually, if you can see, from in my sheet 1, there are actually a lot of data, so it's actually kind of disturbing for me to look this pivot table. But all I wanted is to be shown in 10 items, which is from $11 until $30. So all you need to do is just clear the items here and then select your item that you wanted it to be shown in this pivot table. As you can see, I choose 10 items from $11 to $30. So as you can see, this will be our pivot table. That's all from me. If you think this video is very helpful for you guys to build a pivot table, please comment and ask me if anything that you want me to make for another video. That's all from me.